Hi, my name's Tom. I'm setting up for a dinner party here in my little apartment, and I have some brand new silverware to go ahead and show off. I think my guests are going to love it. So as I said, this is a brand new set of silverware. This is from a company called Kingstone. This is a 20-piece set of silverware. It's 1810 stainless steel, so it's tough. And it's also very, very nice looking. You can see. You can get higher amounts. You can get 30-piece sets, 40-piece sets, whatever you need. For me, four place settings at my little table, 20 pieces is perfect. The 20 pieces include 2 forks, 2 spoons, and a knife, and I'll go through all of them. But you can see this is just really, really nice finish. It is, again, it's a stainless steel. It's kind of a mirror finish. It works really well. The knife has a serrated edge right here, and it is pretty sharp. I mean, they come out pretty nice and clean. The other 2 spoons you get a tablespoon and you get a teaspoon. Again, both very nice. I like that the handles are simple and understated because that makes them more comfortable. There's no weird designs, there's no weird filigree, there's no little ridges to get stuff stuck in. Nope, nice and clean and modern. And then you also get 2 forks. You get a little smaller fork, which is kind of a dessert fork or a salad fork, and then you get a larger fork, a regular size fork for meals. All the silverware is marked Kingstone, just so you know. It's actually kind of helpful so that if you want to get more pieces later on, you know. You can always, if you order from Amazon, you can always go ahead and also check your orders list. These things are dishwasher safe. I have run them all through the dishwasher once just to kind of clean them off. I use 1 or 2 pieces just to kind of try them out, and they fit great. They feel good in the mouth, all those good things. It's silverware, guys. It's nice, simple, good-looking stuff. You do want to make sure that you don't use wire brushes with this. Even Brillo pads might actually eventually scratch these up a little bit, so just be careful and you're fine. And speaking of which, they come individually packaged and wrapped. Not a whole lot of wrapping paper, but just enough to kind of keep them from banging around each other in shipping. So when you get them out, they look this good. They look brand spanking new. They have not touched each other. They have not scratched against each other. They've not rammed. They're all perfectly packaged well, and they're actually even then packaged in bubble wrap just to make sure it's a nice secure package. Nice and simple, works really well, it looks really great. This is some really, really nice silverware. Let me quickly show you how to actually set up a place setting. Here's how a typical place setting should work. You want the smaller fork or the salad fork on the far left, and then inside you want the actual meal fork. They say you actually eat from the outside in, and that is true. So the salad is first, so you eat the salad first, and then the meal fork is here on the left. It's kind of between the two. Here's obviously your plate, and then I have a knife. The knife is used for all sorts of things, and then you have a larger spoon. This is your entree spoon, your tablespoon, and then in this case, I also have a dessert spoon. It's also called a teaspoon. So this is one way you can do it. If your dessert is going to need a fork and you're not going to have salad, you can take this fork and you can put it up there, and you can go ahead and have the dessert spoon and fork if you want, or just one or the other up at the top of the plate. But that's typically how you would set up a silverware for a dinner party or just a regular table setting. So there you have it, Kingstone silverware. It is comfortable, it looks great, it works really, really well. I was sent these to go ahead and give you a review, and it's exactly what I've done. I've had some people going to come over soon for a party. That's great. The people who have used this silverware all completely love it. They think, oh my gosh, this is very, really nice. And I just say, hey, it came from Amazon, and they are very intrigued that you can do this sort of stuff. You can get great housewares from Amazon. They just look really great. I'm really, really impressed with them. So yeah, they're highly recommended.